हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे ब्लड प्रेशर के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन, विच ब्लड वेसल एक्सपीरियंसेस द हाईएस्ट प्रेशर? Correct answer is B. Arteries. Arteries carry blood under high pressure from the heart. Next question, which neurotransmitter increases blood pressure? Correct answer is C. Epinephrine. Epinephrine adrenaline causes vasoconstriction, rising BP. Next question, which factor primarily determines systolic BP? Correct answer is B. Stroke volume. Systolic BP depends on the amount of blood pumped per beat. Next question, which hormone regulate BP by retaining water? Correct answer is B. ADH. Vasopressin. ADH promotes water retention, increasing BP. Next question, which organ controls long-term BP regulation? Correct answer is C. Kidneys. Kidneys regulate BP by controlling fluid and electrolytes. Next question, which enzyme converts angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2? Correct answer is B. ACE. Angiotensin converting enzyme ACE increases BP. Next question, what effect does vasodilation have on BP? Correct answer is B. Decreases BP. Wider blood vessels reduce resistance, lowering BP. Next question, which electrolyte is essential for BP control? Correct answer is C. Potassium. Potassium helps balance sodium, preventing high BP. Next question, which receptor detects BP changes? Correct answer is B. Baroreceptor. Baroreceptors in arteries senses BP changes. Next question, what happens to BP during dehydration? Correct answer is B. Decreases. Low blood volume leads to lower BP. Next question, what is the main cause of primary hypertension? Correct answer is B. Unknown cause. Primary hypertension has no clear cause. Next question, which BP disorder occurs when standing up suddenly? Correct answer is B. Orthostatic hypotension. A sudden BP drop on standing causes dizziness. Which genetic condition is linked to high BP? Correct answer is C. Polycystic kidney disease. PKD leads to secondary hypertension. Next question, which organ is most damaged in chronic hypertension? Correct answer is C. Kidneys. High BP damages kidney function over time. Next question, which BP disorder is a medical emergency? Correct answer is A. Hypertensive crisis. Extremely high BP 180-120 mmHg requires urgent treatment. Next question, which condition causes secondary hypertension? Correct answer is B. Hyperthyroidism. Excessive thyroid hormones increase BP. Next question, which organ failure is directly linked to chronic hypertension? Correct answer is C. Kidney failure. Uncontrolled BP damages the kidneys. Next question, which drug class lowers BP by relaxing blood vessels? Correct answer is B. ACE inhibitors. ACE inhibitors prevent angiotensin II formation. Next question, which medication reduces BP by blocking adrenaline? Correct answer is B. Metoprolol. Beta blockers reduce heart rate and BP. Next question. Which BP drug removes excess fluid? Correct answer is C. Diuretics. Diuretics help lower BP by reducing blood volume. Next question. Which non-drug method lowers BP? Correct answer is B. Meditation. Relaxation techniques help reduce BP. Next question. Which BP drug is given in emergencies? Correct answer is B. Hydralazine. Hydralazine is used in hypertensive emergencies. Next question. Which artery is commonly used to measure BP with a sphygmomanometer? Correct answer is B. Brachial artery. The cuff is placed around the upper arm to measure BP. Next question. What is the correct position for BP measurement? Correct answer is B. Sitting with arm at heart level. Incorrect positioning can give false BP readings. Next question. Which device provides continuous BP monitoring? Correct answer is C. Intra-arterial catheter used in ICUs for real-time BP monitoring. Next question. Which BP measurement method is most accurate? Correct answer is C. Mercury sphygmomanometer, considered the gold standard for BP measurement. Next question. Which factor can falsely increases BP reading? Correct answer is B. Keeping arm below heart level. The lower the arm, the higher the BP reading. Next question. Which BP condition is common in diabetes? Correct answer is D. Hypertension. Diabetes increases the risk of high BP. Next question. Which ethnic group has a higher risk of hypertension? Correct answer is B. African American. This group has a higher genetic risk of hypertension. Next question. Which BP disorder is common during pregnancy? Correct answer is B. Gestational hypertension. BP rises during pregnancy but usually normalizes after birth. Next question. Which Korotkov sound indicates systolic BP? Correct answer is A. First sound. The first tapping sound represents systolic pressure. Next question. Which BP reading indicates pre-hypertension? Correct answer is C. 130/85 mmHg. Pre-hypertension is between 120-139 systolic or 80-89 diastolic. Next question. Which BP reading is considered hypotension? Correct answer is B. 160 mmHg. BP below 90-60 mmHg is classified as hypotension.